Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create sequences in HubSpot, so let's get right into it. Before I do, let me preface this by saying that sequences are behind a subscription wall, so you do need to have a package for a subscription on HubSpot to actually be able to create them and use them. Now, as you'll see, if I go into my automations tab, these sequences are the second option, and they require either the Sales or Service Hub Professional package. So if you subscribe to it, then you can use it. Now, I don't, so I can't exactly show you how to create this. However, I will be going through this article on the HubSpot support to help you guys see how you can do it. Now, to do this, you need to go into Sequences and click Create a Sequence in the top right. Then you can select Start to Scratch or a pre-made sequence template. You can just click create sequence once you select whichever you want, and then click the pencil icon and enter your name for your sequence once you're done. Now you can click the plus icon to add steps such as an automated email, a manual email task, call task, general task, in-mail task, and a connection request task. Once you select one in the right panel, you need to select an action, and you can add whichever one of these you would like. Once you do that, you can add a task reminder as well if you want, which is integrated within this, and you do need to set a delay between two tasks. So for example, you need to click the number next to delay and set up business days when it will activate from the previous task or the previous step. Then you can just manually edit whatever you need. You can enter a title for the task. You can click the check mark to pause the sequence until the task is completed. You can click the manual email task, call task, or general task to add a task reminder, etc., etc. And pretty much all the other things are editing settings and pretty much just going through the settings that you have and editing them to your preferred specifications, adding other info that you might need. And it's pretty simple, just like creating anything else on HubSpot. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.